What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. I'm Coco, and if you're new here, welcome. On my channel, I like to share tips, tricks, treats, and trends. So if that's something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you know when I post my next video. Today, I will be sharing with you how to make cinnamon roll hot chocolate bombs. I know, guys, you can just smell it right now. You can just smell it in your home. When you make this, you're just going to want to lick the bowl and lick the powder and lick everything because this recipe is just so good. Hands down, it is the best. And the best part about it is that it actually tastes like cinnamon rolls. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To get started with these hot chocolate bombs, I'm going to melt down my chocolate. For this demonstration, I am using a mix of almond bark as well as Merkin's chocolate. And then I'm gonna add just a pinch of cinnamon. I'm going to pour it in my mold and coat it just like I do with all of my other hot chocolate bombs. For this tutorial, I am using a 3-inch mold. Normally, I use the 2.5, 2.75-inch mold, but I decided to go a little bit bigger for this video. Big flavor, big hot chocolate bombs, big likes. Yeah, big likes. Okay, go ahead, hit the like button if you like it so far. Once my mold is coated, I then pop it into the freezer for just a few seconds. When it's done, I take it out, pop them out ever so gently, and then I melt down the edges. For this tutorial, I will be using my hot pan method. As I've said previously before in my videos, to me, this is the best method that you can go with. It's especially great for if you're working with larger hot chocolate bombs or hot chocolate bombs that have odd shapes. Another option for melting these down is to use a warmer or a hot plate or something of the sort. But again, I'm in love with the hot pan method, so that is what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So we want to melt down our edges, make sure that they're nice and sharp, and then we're going to fill. To get that good, rich cinnamon roll flavor, I am using this cinnamon bun mix from LollicupStore. They were so gracious and so kind to send me a few of their flavors to test out. And you guys, I must say, these are the best tasting mixes that I have ever tried. Their flavors are so rich and so full. As you can see here, I've already been using it up because it's so delicious. Not only have they been so generous to send me a few of their flavors to try, but by using the code CHOCOBOMB, they're also providing you with a 10% discount off of their website, LollicupStore. All the details and information will be linked in the description below, so make sure that you check that out. So now we're adding in our cinnamon bun mix, and then we're gonna top it off with a pile of marshmallows. My favorite part. Once we have our bomb filled, then we want to melt down the top half and place it on top. You want to make sure that your seams are closed. If there are any holes or any parts that are off, then that will cause your hot chocolate bomb to expire much quicker than if it were sealed properly. Once we have sealed off our hot chocolate bomb, we can now go in and decorate. You can check out my many other videos here to see what are some other ways that you are able to decorate these hot chocolate bombs. The sky is literally the limit on your creations. But for this demonstration, I'm going to do a simple drizzle. And here you have our completed cinnamon roll hot chocolate bomb. You guys, when I tell you that this is the best, hands down, I mean that this is the best. If you're interested to know what other flavors I offer and how I make them, I'll have all of that information linked in the description below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you are now inspired to go out and make cinnamon roll flavored hot chocolate bombs. If you are inspired, please make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those notifications so you see when I drop my next video. Be sure that you follow me on Instagram for more sweets, treats, and fun. Also, be sure that if you create any of my creations to send them to me. I would love to see what you create. Thank you so much again, guys, and until next time, peace.